Hello guys. We are just facing COVID pandemic started in 2020 which create many natural and climatic problems. This however continues in 2020 as well. I hope you are awaiting some good news as well in pandemic days such as just because we are at a home there is a no vehicles in a road and that's why reduction of pollution is measured. Ozone layer is healed by itself. We see some real dolphins and the fire of Amazon forest and damage is healed automatically by Mother Earth. On the occasion of Environment Day, we can restore our Mother Earth. In this video, we can knowing some answers of common questions such as what is the theme of World Environment Day? Which country is hosting this year? From when World Environment Day is started celebrated and how we can help to heal our Mother Earth. So let's get started.
World Environment Day, that is WED, is celebrated on 5th June every year. But can you know, World Environment Day is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and the actions for protections of the environment. World Environment Day is the platform to help our environment. It is not to protect our home, but to protect the many living species on the earth. It helps to promote sustainable development to ensure that future generations have resource and a clean environment. The history of World Environment Day is World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. Even through World Environment Day celebration have been held annually since 1974. Do you know? To solve the environmental issue, every year 143 countries are participating. In 1987, the idea for solving many environmental issues, World Health Organization create different activities through selecting different host countries and different themes. In 2021, World Environment Day is hosted by Pakistan. We must taking some steps through their healing and doing so. We must recognize that the restorations of nature is important for survival of nature and human race. This is a reason this year World Health Organization gives a theme ecosystem restoration, and this is continuous till 2030. You thinking what is ecosystem restoration and why it give 10 years to restore the earth? Well, World Ecosystem restoration means the process of assisting recovery on the ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. Humans are very selfish and evil creatures which destroy the things which give to free use. Just because human, there are the variety of ecosystem is damaged and we have to restore that. Some common ecosystems are farmland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, mountain ecosystem, marine ecosystem, peatland ecosystem, urban ecosystem. This is our target to restore all these in 10 years and live healthy life. Currently, there is a insufficient support for hundreds of thousands of restoration initiative worldwide. Because of this, UNA has decided to make the year 2021 to 2030 the decade for the ecosystem restoration. Living healthy life is a gift of our Mother Earth. In the next video, we covering all the topics of ecosystem, their types, benefit, however it helps to restore our Mother Earth. So turn on your bell icon to get a notification of my new videos. Thank you for watching.